Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. I have for you today what is quite possibly one of my favorite pieces to ever come across the bench. It's a tiny little church that's been handmade out of solid 14 karat gold. But it has a secret feature. In the first book of my favorite book series of all time, the book tells the story of a wizard who rescues a little girl from literal monsters. There is a scene in that book where he makes for her a ring, and he puts it on her finger and he asks her to think of the best day she has ever had. And when she does, the ring lights up. And she asks him, how is that happening? And he explains to her, magic. The best kind. A little bit of light in the darkness. The secret feature of this tiny, handmade gold church is that when you squeeze it, the inside of the church lights up. When it came to me, the light had been broken and the battery that powers it was completely gone. Now, I have fixed that and I want to show you how. Getting the light to work correctly required a little bit of electrical cleverness on my part, so I'll have to show this to you in reverse. This circular cap on the bottom of the church is actually the activation button for the light. It houses this spring, as you can see, and the battery and light assembly. Once the battery assembly is removed, you can see the lip that supports it without letting it fall into the main body of the church. Take note of the gold peg inside the cap. It serves to complete the circuit without fouling on the spring. This is what the battery itself looks like. It's a regular 3-volt coin cell, though the edges have been wrapped in an electrically insulating strip. The real magic comes from how the LED is arranged. It's a bright, pure white modern LED. It sits on a piece of double-sided adhesive with one wire lead coiled beneath it. This arrangement ensures that the negative side of the circuit is always in good contact with the battery. During assembly, the LED is placed directly on top of the coin cell battery. The double-sided adhesive will ensure that the negative wire lead makes good contact and that the LED doesn't move around. Careful attention is paid to the positive lead as well. Because the fit is so tight, the coin cell will force the positive lead against the gold body of the church as it's put in place, and the church itself will act as the positive half of the circuit. Special attention is once again paid to the positive lead to make sure it's electrically isolated from the positive side of the battery. Final assembly is simple enough. The spring is sized so that it will coil completely into the button cap once fully compressed. It's reinserted, followed by the cap, and we're done. Check this out, guys. How awesome is that, guys? I just can't get over how cool the light looks coming back out of the inside of the church. If you have a story of a piece that means the world to you, or something that's just super cool and tiny like this one, we'd love to hear about it down in the comments section. We always hope you'll hit that like button, and of course, you should definitely hit that subscribe button so you'll get notified every time we post new amazing projects just like this one. And until the next time we see you, it's always a pleasure having you with us here at the bench.